So in this tutorial I'm going to be doing a step-by-step eye makeup tutorial. So I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes. I'm going to do quite a nice dramatic look, but I'm going to be talking through slowly how to get a nice smoky eye. So I'm going to start off with putting concealer on the base of the eyelid. This helps the eyeshadow to stay on longer and also to bring out the pigment of the colour. And I'm going to use a brush to blend it all out.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you.
So once it's all blended out, I'm then going to go in with the main colour of the eyeshadow and put it on the lid. So I'm going to be using the new Opal Rose palette. I love this palette because it literally has so many colours. It's got a mixture of shimmer ones and also matte colours, and it's literally equivalent to the Jaclyn Hill one. The colours are literally amazing, and it's only $19.99, and if you use Kady 10 at checkout you get a further 10% off, so it literally is a bargain for all these colours. I'm going to be doing a bronze smoky eye. Start off with using this colour all over the lid.
Can we talk? Hey.
And then I'm going to go in with this colour and I'm going to softly blend it throughout the crease. I always start on the outer edge and then work my way inwards, doing small circular motions. Then I'm going to go in with the by Kady smouldering brush, and I'm going to use this colour here, which is like a dark warm matte brown, just to put on the lower lash line so it gives that really nice smoky smouldery look. And then I'm going to go in with the same colour, which is a matte brown, and I'm going to put it in the outer edge of the corners just to make it a bit more intense and a bit more smoky. And then I'm going to be putting the by Kady lashes on in style Hun. These are really nice for a good smoky eye, as they are one of the fullest ones we do, but they are really, really nice. Once I put the false lashes on, I'm now going to go back in and correct anything of the eyes, and also just put some highlighter in the inner corner of the eye and under the brow bone. So to make it a really smoky look, I'm now going to put a black pencil in the waterline to make it really smouldery. Once I've done the eyeliner, I'm now going to go in with a mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic. This is really good for the lower lash line because it's a thin brush and it will have no clumping in it. To finish the look, I'm just going to quickly do the foundation and do the brows.